family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, my voice, my allergies, my sinuses, everything is really going crazy now because, you know, fall's going to come up this month. So I am starting, my allergies and everything is starting. Also, where I live at, our allergies is always messed up because they love the trees. I mean, I have nothing against the trees. I love trees too. But we got so many. And we are known for allergies and sinuses and sickness and stuff, as far as dealing with our allergies, okay? In our state, where I'm from. All right, so went to CVS. I did this little deal right here. And I think I'm going to go back probably either Tuesday or Wednesday and do another deal. But I only think I had was a $10 extra buck. That is the only thing I had was a $10 extra buck. I had coupons also, digital and manufactured coupons. So I just did this deal so I can get me some more extra bucks, and then I'll be going back to get some more stuff because I didn't want to pay a lot out of pocket from what I was wanting to actually get. And then also I was trying to see if I could get me a 10 off of 70. No, 10 off of 70 did not print. So hopefully I can get one in the email. But the only thing I've been trying to get that I've been getting was those 20% off. And you know, if you do the 20% off along with an extra buck, it's just going to take it. So you have to pay out of pocket for you to get the bang for your buck with the 20% off or the 10% off or whatever. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right. So the first thing I got was the average spring. Okay. The average spring. Let's see. The average springs are you buy 2 and you get a $4 extra buck. The average springs are $6.79. They also buy one, get one 50% off. So you'll pay $6.79 for one and $3.40 or something like that for the other. And I did get my extra buck back. Also, I had a 75 cents off manufacturer coupon. If you go on averagesspring.com, you can print out manufacturer coupons. You have to sign up first if you're not already signed up. And then also there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Crest. They are buy 2. Let's see. On the Crest, they are buy 2. You get a $5 extra buck. Now you can get either you can get a toothbrush, toothpaste, or floss, or rinse. Okay, mouthwash. But it's buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So I purchased 2 of the Crest toothpaste. They were $4.39 each. So I got that, and I actually had a digital coupon of $2, and there is a 3 off of 2 that is actually on the site, and I got that. I didn't have no manufacturer coupons that I could roll into it. I didn't have any this time. So I did get my $5 extra buck back. Okay. The next thing is the Suave. The Suave deodorant. Let's see. The Suave deodorant is when you purchase 2, you get a $3 extra buck back. So the Suave was $2.69. They are buy one, get one 50% off. One was $2.69. The other one was $1.35. Then I had I think it was $1.50 off of 2. Yeah, I had $1.50 off 2. If you go on suave.com, you can sign up. You'll get some manufactured coupons that will actually be sent to your email, so you can print that off. So I had $1.50 off of 2. So I got my I got that, and then I got my $3 extra buck back. Then the last thing I got was the Dove hand wash. And I believe the body wash is on there too, but I'm not for sure. I just went ahead and purchased them because I didn't want to, like I said, I didn't want to pay a lot out of pocket. So these hand washes, they are on the Dove. It is, let's see, the Dove. What was the Dove? There it is. Buy two and you get a $4 extra buck back. So yeah, you can do hand wash, lotion, body wash. You can do the polish, and also select her products. And if you want to do Dove Kids, you can do that too. So I just did the hand wash because I know it's a little cheaper. They are $4.99 each. But like I said, when you buy two, you get a $4 extra buck back. And then also I had a dollar, I think it was $2 off of two. Like, go on dove.com. They can send you some coupons through your email. So I printed off of two manufacturer coupon. Also, there was $1 off of digital that was on any Dove on my card, okay, that I had printed out. So like I said, I wrote in a $10 extra buck back on all of this. My subtotal was $11.72, and you know everybody's taxes is different. And then yes, $11.72. So like I said, I did not want to spend a whole lot of pocket, in which I did not, and I was so glad that I did get this. I did this kind of, I was thinking I was going to spend a little bit more, but like $15 and some change. But I forgot I had those other ones. I didn't know if they was going to glitch because the Crest and the Oral-B did glitch. So that kind of got me. And then I had the $1 off of any Dove. I didn't think that was going to come off, but it did. And I was glad. So let me show you my receipt. There is everything right there. Right there. Then there is all my extra bucks. Well, my $10 extra bucks. And then all my my coupons came off. Digitals and manufacturer. And then there was my subtotal. $11.72. Everybody's taxes is different. And then I saved today $26. And it was 69% savings. So let me show you my extra bucks. There is my 3 for my Suave, my 4 for my Dove. Let's see, hold on. And my 4 for my Irish Spring. And my 5 for my Oral-B. Well, for my Crest. All right. So I thought I was going to get me a 10 off of 70. But no. I don't know what's going on. I used to get 10 off of 70 back to back, but sometimes it don't. And then they send me those 20% through the mail. Through my email. Sometimes I use those. Sometimes I don't. It seems like when I don't use them, they'll give me a 10 off of 70. But when I use the 20%, because I get 20% in the mail. Not in the mail, on email. And when I use them, I don't get the 10 off of 70. So I've stopped using the 10%, the 20. And then I get 10% will be sometimes on my card. So when I use those, it seemed like I would not get a 10 off of 70 or any, little 70 or off of anything like that. So I stopped using them. Yeah, I stopped using them. So I did not get no 10 off of 70, but that's all right. Maybe when I go back again, I probably will. So this right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.